Mitsubishi Fuso 8011 is the red zip loader. Right from there is the Adfail Corporation is the number one Fuso. Right from there is the Fuso. Good time there is the Fuso. Fuso 8011. Right from there is the Fuso truck. 8011. Right, no problem. Good time there is the Mitsubishi Fuso 8011. Good time there is the Fuso. Right, no problem. There is the maroon safe loader. Is the maroon safe loader. Is the maroon safe loader. Right, no problem. There is the Fuso. Is the Fuso 8011. Good time there is the Fuso. Right, no problem. Good time. Is the Fuso 8011. Right, no problem. Good time there is the Fuso. No choice. Red safe loader Mitsubishi Fuso 8011. Right, no problem. There is the Fuso. Good time there is the Mitsubishi Fuso 8011. Right, no problem. There is the Fuso. Good time there is the Fuso. Good time is the red zip loader. Right, no problem. Good time. Maroon safe loader is the truck. Right, no problem. There is the Fuso. Right, no problem. Good time there is the Mitsubishi Fuso 8011. Right, no problem. Is the Fuso. Right, no problem. There is the Fuso 8011. Well, from there is the Fuso. Good time there is the Fuso. Fuso 8011. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go.